Welcome to Mandarin Made Easy. Today you can surprise your Chinese friend by asking them, "Where are you going?" And then we will also learn 10 common responses to this question. So this lesson is totally spoken, means just listen and just speak. No need to read, no need to write. So in this manner we have made Chinese language so easy to learn. Simply listen carefully and speak along with me. And by the end of this video, you will be able to ask, "Where are you going?" And "I am going to blah blah place." Or "I am going to do blah blah." So please subscribe my channel and let's start. First of all, let's learn the basic structure of this sentence. It is actually SVO, subject, verb, object. The subject here is you. Verb is to go. And object is the place. So in Chinese, this sentence will be like that. You go where? And where is the question word for the place. So the Chinese question will be 你去哪儿? That's it. 你 means you. 去 means to go. And 哪儿 means where. Again, in Chinese it will be 你去哪儿? 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 So, 你去哪儿 means where you go. Means where are you going? Remember that this is the simplest way of asking this question. Now, how to answer it? For example, situation number 1. If you want to say, "I am going to school," the answer will be 我去学校. 我 means me. 去 means to go. 学校 means school or institute, like that. Now, 学校 can be replaced by any other place you want to tell. For example, if you want to say that I am going to the shop or I am going to the store. The word for store or shop in Chinese is 商店. 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 So, I am going to the store. In Chinese it will be 我去商店. 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 Now if you want to say I am going home, the word we will use here is not 去. It will be 回. So this sentence will be 我回家. 家 means home. 回 means to return. Actually, when you are going back to your home, we use the word 回 instead of 去. It gives the feeling of to return back to your home. So, 我回家 can be translated as I am returning to home or I am going back to home. And now if you want to say that I am going to friend's house, then again we will use the same verb 去. The sentence will be 我去朋友家 I go friend house. Literally, word to word. 朋友 means friend and 家 means house or home. So it will be 我去朋友家 I am going to friend's house. So do you feel any difficulty till now? Please let me know in comments. And if you are enjoying learning with me, please give me a thumbs up. And now if you want to say that I'm going to the office. Okay, we will learn the word 公司, 公司, which also means company. So in this sense, you can say 我去公司我去公司我去公司 means I'm going to office. And now if you want to say that I'm going to gym, the word for gym in Chinese is 健身房健身房健身房 So 健身房 is the word for the gym. Okay, now please tell me how to say in Chinese, I am going to the gym. Have you successfully said this sentence in Chinese? Excellent! 我去健身房我去健身房我去健身房 Now again, the next quiz for you. Get ready. I am going to the park. Let me tell you, the word for park in Chinese is 公园公园公园 Now try to make this sentence yourself. So how to say I'm going to the park? Okay, it is 我去公园 Now tell me in comments, can you say it by yourself? If yes, then excellent from me. If no, then again no problem. You can repeat it as many times as you like, till you are able to speak it by yourself. It simply needs practice, and practice makes the man perfect. The next place we will learn here is library. Library in Chinese is 图书馆图书馆图书馆图书馆 means library. I'm going to library. 我去图书馆 And if you want to say that I am going to the hospital, the word for hospital is again very simple, very short. It is E UN. EUN. EUN. EUN is hospital. So, I am going to the hospital. 我去医院. Okay, till now we have learned how to tell where you are going. I am going to blah blah place. And if you want to tell that I am going to eat something or I am going to do anything, again we will use the first two words 我去 means I go. Now to eat 吃饭 I'm going to eat means I'm going somewhere, for example a restaurant, to eat something. You will say 我去吃饭. And if you want to say that I'm going to buy a book, it is again a verb, an action, not a place. But the sentence structure will be the same. The start will be 我去买书. 买书 means to buy a book. So 我去买书 means I am going to buy a book. 我去吃饭 means I am going to eat something. We will do more practice with the verbs that are in sequence. Like in this case we had first verb to go, second verb to eat, to buy, to do anything. Means first verb is telling you what are you going to do, and the second verb is telling you what is your purpose. So in this video, I think it is sufficient for today's lesson. We have basically learned where I am going, or telling where you are going, and responding I am going to XYZ place. So again, if you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestion or any question, please ask me in comment section. And now let's play our next video.